Good morning, everyone. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 10th of August. And at before the market starts, I'm actually trying to actually get in touch with you to tell you what actually could happen in the market today. So let's come to what actually is happening right now in the futures. If you can see, the futures are showing that market will open quite positive, and if you see on uh, Friday, US market closed quite positive, and it was weekly also positive. So there's a very lot of momentum happening in the US market, and the VIX suggests that the there's a lot of actually buying interest which is coming in. It was the same thing in the Indian market also, and the European markets have started recovering. So overall, actually, if you look at it, there is a lot of positivity all across. Now there is a resistance which actually has been there from the starting of the series at 11,300 350 levels. Now we need to see how actually things are going to go out from here. Though in the US market is quite positive, but the momentum indicators in India are not as strong as actually it is in the US market, and the charts are also not as strong as it is actually appearing in the US market. So we need to see, maybe we will open up positive. Are we going to hold on to these levels are the things which we have to see, because today if you have to notice, there's nothing there's no news or something which on which actually the market can react. For today there's nothing much. If you actually look at the overall thing today, job openings in the US actually is something which can actually add some value. Probably that is the reason why the market has been reacting. Let's look at tomorrow. If you actually see, in the European markets, we have this average earnings claimant count which actually could act on. Germany has this economic sentiment which is going to get released, and PPI numbers are going to come tomorrow. So if you actually look at that, for if I have to talk about today and tomorrow, US market are expecting some data, and if the data are going to be good, probably market may actually move higher. We are actually at a very critical resistance at the Indian market as well as the US market, all the global markets. We are at a very critical resistance level, so we have to see how actually things will move out. There is a negative divergence which is there, and we are at very high expensive valuations. So I can say we are cautiously optimistic. uh, in the market, we are looking at 11,000 as the stronger support. uh, for uh, for today, maybe 11,100 11,150 will act as a support for us, and 11,300 350 is going to act as a resistance. So we'll be closely watching. As long as we can actually hold on to 11,200 levels, probably we will shift from 11,000 to 11,200, the range, to 11,200 to 11,400. That could be the range which probably can be there in the market. But we will be closely watching what is going to happen at these higher levels. Is it going to sustain? Is it going to actually remain there? Is a challenge which we have to see, because the strength actually has come down a bit, and banks are actually not supporting. So if bank Nifty, which is actually, um, bank Nifty can hold on 22,000, which is a very critical level. So bank Nifty is the main thing which is actually holding on to the Nifty part. So, and it has 30% weightage, as you know. And the other things like, uh, see, Reliance, Infosys, and the bankings, if I have to combine only these two companies plus the banks, more than 50 plus percent of the index weightage actually comes on this. So if banks are going to support, and these two companies can hold on, there could be a chance. Otherwise actually profit booking is happening in Reliance and Infosys. So we need to see, is it actually a temporary profit booking, or actually there could be some amount of correction, or it can actually take the markets to new highs. So only time is going to tell. And looking at the way the markets are heading towards the opening could be quite positive, and looking at this, probably a gap up opening is possible. Now the thing we need to see is whether the gap will fill down and actually start going negative, or the gap will hold on and actually move positive. Looking at the critical resistance we are in, I'm not very hopeful of actually gap actually holding on. It's a very difficult thing to say at this point of time, but let's see. Let the market decide where it wants to go, and we will go with the market and see how actually things are going to go. So guys, if you are interested to get more trading ideas, in the afternoons I have my trading calls, and I have after markets I also have some where I take questions on which stock actually you are holding, what actually need to do and all. There will be a lot of live sessions which are happening. So if you're watching this on YouTube, go and actually click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, so whenever I actually go live you will come to know. And if you're watching this on Facebook also, you actually click on the like button and get notified whenever I am live, so that you can actually be a part of this. I have a lot of courses happening starting from just 4.99. Links are actually below. You can just go and click on that and look at the different courses I have. I'm launching something very interesting course which is um, mainly to do with the option expiry. Option expiry is something an amazing place where you can make insane amount of money, and that actually is possible if you actually do it right and if you manage the things well. So for you to understand how it is, and for a launch offer which is actually happening on this 15th of August, I'll be actually doing it in two different languages. I'll be doing it in English as well as in Hindi. So both the languages I'll be doing, and for the launch I'm actually doing it at just 9.99. If you want to actually access that, there's a link below. Go ahead and click on that and actually access this. You will be able to get a lot of insights, and you will know exactly what you need to do. And as a bonus, I'll be also doing a live session to make you understand how exactly to apply that. And the another big bonus which I'm actually coming out with is I'll be also making an Excel calculator which will actually help you in deciding when actually you need to get out, get in, all those things. So whenever you get confused with what actually is happening, you just have to fill in the details and it will tell you what exactly you need to do. So guys, actually everything is laid step by step, and the value you are getting is absolutely nuts, because just one trade can actually make you even 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupees. So if you actually do it right, actually the kind of money you can make is insane, because you can literally double the money in a day. So that's the possibility of expiry day secrets. So what you need to do is go and click on the link below, and please share this with all your friends and family, because I want to actually help as many people as possible. My vision for uh, uh, my vision is by 2030, that is in the next 10 years, I want to reach out to 1 billion people. I want to actually help out as many people as possible in the stock market and make them insane amount of money. So guys, actually help me to help others. Thank you very much. Have a great day. So if you are actually watching this on Telegram or not a part of it, go and actually join my Telegram group. It is Crazy Money with Shri. You just go and search for Crazy Money with Shri, whether it is on Telegram, on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere. Just actually join so that you will get the latest updates. Thank you guys. Have a great day.